Whoa! That giant cake float is heading straight for the edge.
Luna, I need your help. Can you guide me?
On it. I will keep an eye from above.
Oop! Guess I made things a bit more interesting.
Riko, this isn't a game.
Careful, Ela. That bridge is slippery.
I've got this. Just keep guiding me.
Okay, you win this time.
Teamwork, Riko. It's called teamwork.
That was a close one. Nice work, team.
Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.